We are at the point where this entire landslide took place. This is the Jatinga-Lampur area. You can see the restoration work is going on. Our camera person will be showing you. This is the rail line where the people are now taking the track to cross over. And we have seen that from, if we talk, while we come from Silchar towards Haflong till Bandorkhal, the road is okay. But from the Bandorkhal area till Haringajao, there are thousands and thousands of trucks are stranded in the road from past 2-3 days, and they are not been allowed. And the road condition is not at all good. You can see this is the only route to that is, as we know that the Swarashtra, the east-west corridor is yet to get on its place. The works are going on. We have seen many footages and we have seen the structure. You can see this is the condition of the road. This is the condition of the road which is being used by the people from towards Silchar, if you go to Haflong or to the capital, and also not for the Barak Valley but for the people of Tripura, Mizoram and Manipur are also getting affected. The essential commodities, Reshma, are stranded in the road, and we also know that there are two entry and exit points to Barak Valley to connect to the other three states like Tripura, Manipur and Mizoram, and also these three states and Barak Valley to get connected with the mainstream land, the mainland like Guwahati, or to go to our capital. Here the point is, Reshma, it's become vulnerable now whenever the landslide happens. Like in Lampur area, here there is a railway track. 6 of the trains got cancelled, 6 are in a partial cancellation been done, and one to get rescheduled. And the other hand, if we talk about the flight services, there are only 2 flights that is flying between Guwahati and Silchar, that also taking 6 to 7 and 8 hours, and this price, the fare is too much high. It's above 19,000 or 20,000, which is unable for the common people to avail it. Now, as a whole, if we talk that the entire Barak Valley and along with the Barak Valley, the NC Hills and the people of this area, Tripura, Mizoram, Manipur, are all stuck. We have our Northeast Live's Haflong's correspondent Swadeep with us. So Swadeep, as we have seen while we are coming from Silchar side till this point, Lampur, we have seen there is a dilapidated condition. Only a vehicle can be moved, but this entire thing is getting worked out. So from your side, like from Haflong to Lampur, what is the scenario?
Actually, Haflong to Lampur is road is good, but there is one alternative route. वहाँ पे जो है नीचे में जो एक हाईवे चल रहा है, तो हम भी सुनने में आया कि वहाँ पे नीचे में भी जो है इफेक्ट हुआ है. तो इससे लोग इस दूसरा चीज़ को ऑप्शनेबल रोड हिसाब से अगर चुनना भी चाहे, आगे भी आप जाके देखेंगे एक डाइवर्शन है वहाँ पे. लोग हमेशा नॉर्मली लोगों को जो है खुला जाता है, स्पेशली फॉर वीआईपी के लिए. अभी भी सुनने आया कि वीआईपी के लिए खुला है. तो ये जो है उसको अगर पब्लिक टेम्पोरली के लिए अगर पब्लिक के लिए भी कर देगा तो शायद थोड़ा बहुत राहत मिलेगा.
लेकिन ये वीआईपी का इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं, इंपॉर्टेंट है जो कॉमन मैन है. और द एसेंशियल कमोडिटीज जो है, जो आपका हाफलोंग जाएगा, यहाँ से गुवाहाटी जाएगा या गुवाहाटी से होते हुए या दूसरे राज्य से होते हुए नॉर्थ कचर हिल्स, फिर बराक वैली, त्रिपुरा, मिजोरम, मणिपुर, इट इज इफेक्टिंग द कॉमन पीपल. नॉट, वी आर नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट वीआईपीज, दे हैव देयर अल्टरनेटिव रूट्स, बट फॉर दिस दिस कॉमन मैन, what do you think, like how far, what are the departments saying, like how long it will take for them to clear up this road?
जब मैंने यहाँ पे जो ऑफिशियल से एनएचआई का ऑफिशियल से बातचीत किया तो उन्होंने हमें बताया, इस तरह से बताया लाइकली में आप भी तो यहाँ पे है, आपको मालूम होना चाहिए. हमने नहीं बोला कि वी आर नॉट इंजीनियरिंग, सो वी आर एंड आई आस्क्ड द एनएचआई ऑफिसर्स देन हाउ लॉन्ग टुक दिस रजिस्ट्रेशन वर्क वी completed. They are saying likely they are not, maybe don't know how to do, what to do.
They are not clear of when it will get clear. So Reshma, as we heard,
Bikram,
we know that as per the NFR, that is
Bikram, we can see right behind you, people are making out their all alternate ways to come. Can you please go forward to them and ask how it has been challenging for them with these disruptions due to landslide?
Bulao. See, as we know that we are trying to call some of the people, like, see, these people are trying to cross over the road and to come in here. We'll try to talk. These are the employees of the department who are working in who are walking in. We will try to talk to them. But the important thing is, Reshma, here, that the only route, like the NH6, it is also been collapsed. And as per the Northeast Frontier Railway, Lamding Division, about around 50,000 cubic meters of mark and stone that came over to the road, which also went to the railway track. This is the railway track, the only railway track to Guwahati and to the other main parts of the country. And we are seeing that both the roads are being collapsed. See, they are the people of the department who are working in. We will try to talk to the people. दादा आपसे बात करना चाहेंगे, अगर आप लोग डिपार्टमेंट के हैं क्या? डिपार्टमेंट के हैं क्या? पब्लिक है ना? यहाँ का नहीं, आप कैसे आ रहे हैं वो बताना है. See, the people, दादा आप कहाँ से आ रहे हैं? See, these people are seen by not being concerned. They are from outside. They are crossing over. Now we are seeing the mainly as the roads are being closed, no people are able to come in. But those who have to go, our video journalist Nirma Malakar will be showing you. They are using the track. They are using the railway track, and they are crossing over there to go to Silchar or to other part of Northeast like Tripura, Manipur or Mizoram. Reshma.
Yes, also Bikram, do we have any clear notice from the concerned authorities as to how long it will take for the restoration to be completed?
Well, Reshma, so far no official statement or no official time frame has been given. They are saying that, and we are also seeing that the restoration work is going on here. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 trippers are working in here. दादा आप डिपार्टमेंट के हैं क्या? पब्लिक हैं क्या? कैसे जा रहे हैं अभी हाफ लॉन्ग?
मेरे को फिलहाल पता नहीं कैसे जा रहा है. कोई पैदल जा रहा है ऐसे
क्रॉस करके जा रहा है.
ऐसे क्रॉस करके.
बहुत तो तकलीफ हो रही हो.
तकलीफ हो रही है.
क्या लगेगा कब तक ये क्लियर हो जाएगा?
ये मेरे को फिलहाल पता नहीं.
जैसे Reshma, you can see the people are uncertain. They are also not knowing that when it is get cleared. And we are seeing that though just now the sun is shining, but it's a heavy rainfall took place till 10:30 a.m. morning. And as per the notification, the forecast, the heavy rainfall are about to come. We are seeing that the clouds are just below this hillocks of NC Hill, North Kachar Hills. And you can see the debris are getting cleared, but it will take lots of time, Reshma, to get a clear road and for the plying of the essential commodities and for the commoners too. Good. And we can see it's a very narrow stretch of a road. You can see their entire road is muddy as it is a hillock area, and the people are trying to cross over who have urgent works to go. We will try to talk to this person. Dada? आप कहाँ जाएंगे?
हम जाएंगे ना, हम यहाँ काम करते हैं.
आप काम कर रहे हो? कितने दिन से काम कर रहे हो?
परसों दिन से.
क्या लगता है ये कब तक क्लियर हो जाएगा?
ये तो अच्छा से काम करने से 2-3 दिन में क्लियर कर देगा नीचे का ट्रेन लाइन.
बारिश तो हो रही है.
बारिश होने से लेकिन ये फिर बंद हो जाएगा. हाँ,
तो बारिश तो है ही.
बारिश तो चलते हैं अभी पता नहीं कंपनी लोगों कैसे क्या दिमाग लगा रहा है वो लोग, तो इंजीनियर लोग का अंदर में है.
यहाँ पे कोई है क्या ऑफिशियल?
ऑफिशियल तो नीचे में है, ये लोग का कैम्प है वहाँ पे DRA का. हाँ, कापू चौड़ा में.
साइड में नहीं है.
साइड में तो अभी कैंप बना रहा है इस तरफ में.
कैंप बना रहा है.
टीम तो बैठा दिया, तो रेलवे का है, रेलवे का पूरा टीम बैठा दिया है लोग, मेडिकल टीम लेके पूरा बैठा दिया है लोग.